is giving bath must put on surgical gloves, then washing gloves, two, lay down the deceased on the bath table on its back, facing the soles of the feet towards the Qibla. Three, remove the clothing of the deceased very gently and nicely. Number 4, do not make the dead body completely naked. Number 5, a moral binding is imposed on the persons present during the bath that the attendants should resolve never to talk about any defect of the dead body or to pass any mocking or insulting remarks on the deceased. Before removing the trouser, put a piece of cloth on the lower portion of the body in order to cover the private parts. At the time of the removal of the trousers, effort should be made that any dirt or foul matter in the trouser should not be visible to the attendants. It is a mark of respect to the dead body. Before giving the proper bath, clean the entire body by making the body wet and clean the lower portion in a way that one person should raise the deceased's legs a little high and clean the foul matter, if any. While lifting the person, turn his or her face on the other side, and it is better to recite Al-Afwa. Discharge the water under the cloth from the navel side. Then, with the help of the cotton, remove the dirt, foul matter, if any, from the thighs and hips, and keep on doing so by changing the cotton till the cotton becomes spotless. Use the suds and the foam of a non-greasy soap. Then, clean the entire portion from navel to thighs with the suds of the soap. Once the lower portion is completely clean, then change the mitten and the covering cloth. Be careful while changing the covering cloth not